What is infiltration in groundwater recharge? Have you ever wondered how rainwater makes its way into the ground to replenish our vital groundwater supplies? Let's take a closer look at the process known as infiltration in groundwater recharge. Infiltration refers to the way water from precipitation, like rain or snow, seeps down through the soil and other layers of the ground. This process is essential for replenishing groundwater supplies. When it rains, some of that water runs off the surface, but the part that penetrates the soil is what we call infiltration. Once the water infiltrates, it travels downward through an area called the Vadose zone. This zone is the unsaturated space located below the soil surface and above the water table. As water moves through this zone, it passes through tiny pores in the soil and rock. If the water continues to move downward without being lost to evaporation or plant uptake, it eventually reaches the saturated zone and becomes groundwater. The rate at which infiltration occurs can vary based on several factors. For instance, soil type plays a significant role. Sandy soils, which have larger pores, allow water to infiltrate more quickly than clayey soils, which have smaller pores. Vegetation also impacts infiltration by affecting soil structure and how much water is absorbed by plants. Urban areas present a different challenge. Surfaces like pavement can prevent natural infiltration. However, cities can create focused recharge zones where runoff is directed into specific areas designed to enhance groundwater recharge. This can include recharge basins or injection wells that help deliver water directly into aquifers. Groundwater recharge can happen naturally or be enhanced through artificial methods. Natural recharge occurs when water infiltrates over large areas or from streams and canals. On the other hand, artificial recharge methods include spreading basins where water is intentionally spread over permeable ground or using injection wells. Protecting areas that allow for optimal infiltration is vital for maintaining sustainable groundwater supplies. These recharge areas should be preserved from urban development or contamination to ensure aquifers receive the replenishment they need. Infiltration is the process where water moves from the surface into the ground, replenishing groundwater supplies. It is influenced by various factors, including soil type, vegetation, and land use, and plays a key role in the water cycle and groundwater management.